Pastoral Call. I will be singing Thy Hand Belinda by Dado and Aeneas. And yes, it is I Am Queen, Dado. It's basically about, it's very dramatic. It's an opera. It's about this woman who her true love sails off and she decides the world is ending, so she's going to burn herself alive. And then she is crying to her handmaiden, basically, people not to remember her this way. Very dramatic. It's an opera. So, and then along with me will be Riley, our dancing queen. So.
We